eye primer, unfortunately, so I've ran out. So any good suggestions on an eye primer, please let me know. I used to use the Urban Decay one, and I'm looking for something new, so please do tell me. So I'm just going to put on the eyeshadow and a bit of liner. So all over the eye, a lighter colour, this one here. Cream there. I actually really miss having an eye primer. I don't really spend an awful lot of time on makeup unless I'm going out for the evening. Even then, I don't even spend an awful lot of time on makeup. Now I'm going to take a darker one and go under the eye. As I've said before, you can wet your, just a wee bit around the corners as well here. You can wet your eyeshadow. I love these brushes. They're two little ends on them, and I'll get you the name of it. I think it's Eco Tools. I do love them. I'm pretty sure it's Eco Tools. And then just in the top, you know, near your eyelashes. Just give more definition. Same dark colour. This is very simple, folks, and if you make a mistake, so what? So what? So there it's on. And I just need a bit of mascara and then my foundation. So at the age of 44, which I am, I'm always now looking at ways to sort of, you know, keep myself looking a bit younger. So this morning I did a couple of, you know, chest press exercises before. I'll do a bit of yoga throughout the day. Just a couple of minutes, that's all you need here and there. You know, better to do a little of something than nothing at all. That's my motto anyway. And I had a smoothie that I prepared the night before. So I feel as if I'm doing well today. You know, I'm not running the marathon, but so what? So, little steps. Don't be too hard on yourself. That's how you can get depressed and anxious. So, little steps. So, just thinking, what sort of foundation am I going to use today? I think I prefer something lighter. I felt I was a wee bit dark yesterday, so I'm going to try this Autograph one. It's Illuminating Touch Radiance Foundation. She got it in the sale. It was a real bargain. Can't remember how much it was, but I know it was like Marks and Spencer's do a brilliant sale. So just dot it, different bits. There we go. I think that's enough. Always start off less is more. In the past, I used to trial it on. Trial it on. Right, so little circular movements. You can see that's quite similar to my neck colour, so. Okay, and I am going to put a bit of lip balm on. Very, very dry. And I'm going to use Benefit Eye Concealer. Do my little V that I always do. Just to bring it down. A thin enough brush. Bit of eye makeup there. Sure not to take your eye makeup off that you just did, you know, under the eyes. Okay. And as you can see, I'm a bit pale, so what I will do is put a wee bit of bronzer on and a wee bit of blusher, and that's me. Should I go for highlighter? Anyway, we'll see. So I'm wearing at the moment Pixie by Petra, and after doing that chest press, I need to keep my shoulders back because I'm all into my posture at the moment. Just do. There we go. See that? And then I'm just going to do a bit of blush. My little blusher brush, which is a Real Techniques brush. It's actually a contour brush, but I use it as a wee blusher brush. And dab it into your... I'm only using 17. Don't mean to say I'm only using 17, like, but you know, it wasn't expensive and it's fine. We smile, apples, cheeks. There we go. This is more. And that's me, folks. I might put on a wee bit of highlighter really quickly. And can't find the other one I had, so I'll use this. This little highlighter. It's Laura Mercier. You would tell me how to pronounce that better. Laura Mercier. Merci beaucoup. Mademoiselle. There we go. It's very shiny. I do love it. She wore it when I got married. Ooh. It's around here. Maybe Cupid's bone. There we go, and that's the look. Very natural. Let's brush my hair. Take this off and brush my hair. I do need my eyebrows waxed. And my fringe cut. I didn't have a fringe before. Let me know if you think the fringe is nice or not. Because I didn't have a fringe before. I was just toying with the idea of having a fringe, so I got one cut just to see. Should always grow out if. So that's my look, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you like it. Gemma Hill Beauty tips, health tips, whatever tips. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe to my page, and have a lovely Easter. And there's a close-up. Very simple makeup look. Took me what, 3 minutes there? Not even. So have a lovely Easter. Give us a thumbs up if you like this quick makeup tutorial. And I also have an Instagram page and a Facebook page at Gemma Hill New. And like and subscribe to my page. Happy Easter. Have a good holiday. Bye.